Ever wonder how to transform a simple road trip into an epic car camping adventure? Well, fasten your seatbelts because this journey is about to get interesting. Firstly, selecting the right vehicle matters. A roomy car with foldable seats or a spacious van can be your home on wheels. But don't worry, even smaller cars can work, with a bit of creativity. Next, think about where to sleep. While campgrounds are a popular choice, don't overlook less conventional spots like national forest lands or Bureau of Land Management areas. And yes, even that 24-hour Walmart parking lot could serve as a temporary overnight pit stop. Just remember, always respect local laws and regulations. Now, let's talk comfort. A good night's sleep is crucial, so invest in a quality sleeping bag, preferably one that's rated for the lowest temperature you expect to encounter. Pair that with an inflatable mattress or a foam pad, and you're all set for a cozy night in your car. Feeling peckish? Cooking while car camping can be a breeze with a portable stove. Pack a cooler with your favorite foods, and don't forget a can opener. Pro tip, pre-cooked or canned meals can save a lot of time and hassle. Staying safe is paramount. Always let someone know where you're going and when you expect to return. Keep a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a multi-tool handy. And remember, lock your doors at night. Lastly, leave no trace. Whatever you bring in, take out. Keep the great outdoors great for the next adventurer. So, to recap, choose the right vehicle, scout your sleeping spot carefully, invest in a quality sleeping bag and mattress, bring along a portable stove and cooler, stay safe, and always, always leave no trace. Remember, car camping isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. So go ahead, hit the open road and make some unforgettable memories. Happy car camping! Let's dive a bit deeper into the essential gear for car camping. First, your sleeping bag and mattress. These are not just about comfort, but also about warmth and protection from the elements. Next, your portable stove and cooler. They are your best friends when it comes to preparing and storing food. And don't forget your first aid kit, flashlight, and multi-tool. These are essential for safety and convenience. Having the right gear can make your car camping experience much more comfortable and enjoyable. In the next scene, we'll show you how to pack all these essentials efficiently. So stay tuned. Planning your route is an important part of car camping. Before you head out, take some time to research campgrounds and potential sleeping spots. National forest lands or Bureau of Land Management areas often allow dispersed camping, but you'll need to follow certain rules and regulations. Keep an eye out for signs and make sure you're not on private property. For those long drives, consider temporary overnight pit stops at rest areas or truck stops. Remember, a well-planned route can lead to a smoother and more enjoyable car camping adventure. So, take out your maps, fire up your GPS, and let's get planning. As we chart out our journey, let's not forget the fun part of the adventure: food. Cooking on the road can be a delightful experience if planned well. For your car camping adventure, consider packing pre-cooked or canned meals that are easy to heat and serve. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially after a long day of exploring. If you're a fan of fresh food, pack a cooler with your favorite foods and snacks. Remember to keep the cooler in a shaded area of your car to keep your food fresh and safe. If you're up for some real cooking, a portable stove can be your best friend. With a little planning and creativity, you can whip up some delicious meals right next to your campsite. So, get ready to savor the flavors of your journey because with the right meals, every stop feels like home.